Alright, so today we have two new sneakers to unbox. One is obviously the Nike Off-White Rubber Dunk, the newly released pair, which you guys already know if you follow me on Instagram, because I had won this on retail via the end raffle and I had shared that on my story. The second one is also a Nike Dunk Low, which I'm not going to tell you now. We'll first take a look at the Off-White Rubber Dunks and then we'll move to the second one. Now before we get started with this, I would like to thank you guys for your positive response on the membership plan that I launched in the previous video. So those of you who are new here, you can go and check out the previous video after watching this, where I have explained about the whole membership plan. So what basically happens in that is that you subscribe to a weekly or a monthly membership and you get automatic enrollment into weekly giveaways, steals and exclusive content from my channel. Now there were a couple of questions that you guys had which was kind of confusing for you guys, so let me clear that out quickly. So if you want to go in for the weekly membership, then you have time till Friday before 6 PM for the current week, and if you enroll after that, you will automatically be enrolled for the next week's membership. And if you're a monthly member, then you do not need to worry about the weekly rollover from one week to another. And not just that, so basically the giveaway winners will be announced every Friday at around 6 PM via Instagram live, and thereafter we will drop the weekly steals, which will be available on a first come first serve basis to all the weekly and the monthly members. Now let me quickly show you what we are giving away in this week. We are giving away a brand new pair of Union Jordan 4 Guava Ice. And not just that, we are also giving away a pair of Jordan 1 Low, a hyped t-shirt and also a couple of hyped face masks. So this is the brand new DS pair that I was talking about, the Guava Ice Union Jordan 4. So if you haven't yet taken part, then do not forget to click the link in description below and you can enroll for this week's membership, or rather enroll for the whole month's membership, as the giveaways and the steals are only going to get better with every week. Now let's get started with the Off-White Rubber Dunk unboxing. So as you can see, this is the box of the Off-White Rubber Dunks, and this is in line with Virgil's new design language that we can see through the circular cutouts all around the shoe. We saw this previously in the regular Off-White Dunks and also the Off-White Jordan 5s if I'm not mistaken, even the 4s for that matter. So the basic silver metallic box with the cutouts, like I said. Let's go and open this up. So inside you will see again this butter paper in yellow. This is again from the previously released sneakers in this year that we have seen from Off-White. So here it is. These are the Nike Air Rubber Dunk in the University Blue colorway. Now these were released in 3 different colorways, that is the black and the green stripe, the gold black and the University Blue, which is this one right here. So these were a region exclusive sneakers, that is the US got the green stripe colorway, Europe got this University Blue, and Asia got the gold black colorway, which is absolutely disgusting in my opinion. Nevertheless, we'll talk about that later in this video. So I got these from the End raffle. So those of you who do not know, End Clothing is a very big online retailer that deals in a lot of brands and get all the hype sneakers. So if you want to try your luck in raffles, then that is one of the international raffles that you can try. I've been trying there for all the sneakers from a couple of years, and it's only off lately that I've been winning something from there. Like I won both the Easy Slides there and now I won this one. Alright, so let's take a look at some details of the shoe. So the upper of the shoe is in synthetic mesh, leather and rubber. The base of the shoe is in white and you have a lot of silver metallic on the panels of the shoe, and obviously the University Blue on the edges of every panel and also on this thinly cut out swoosh in rubber. Apart from that, you get the gum midsole and the outsole like I mentioned, along with the Nike Air unit on the back, exposed foam on the tongue, Nike Air logo on the back, and the Nike Off-White logo on the upper of the tongue. Now these sneakers come with an orange zip tie along with this small tag in orange and an extra pair of laces in white. And lastly, the insole, again same like the Off-White Dunks that we saw released previously. So talking about the comfort and sizing, these are pretty comfortable as they are not very snug from inside. They do not have a lot of padding like the SB Dunks. So they do feel a lot roomier, and also there's no issue with wide feet. And talking about sizing, you can definitely go with true to size, that is your same size that you go for in Jordan 1s or any other sneaker. So that is basically all. Now talking about the pricing, now if you are looking to buy these sneakers from a reselling point of view, I wouldn't advise you to do so, because I don't think they're going to do as well, because not a lot of people are really understanding the design and they're not really liking it as much. Although I feel they look brilliant in hand, and definitely the University Blue, that is this version, is my favorite one from the 3 that released. As far as personal goes, I think this is a great Nike Off-White sneaker for regular daily wear because of the added comfort that you get with the Nike Air unit. And also they are currently only reselling for about $300 to $400, which is only 2x or 2.5x of the retail. So this is definitely a great pair for personals because they're not so expensive, like I said. And any of you guys who are looking to buy their first Off-White sneakers, I think you should definitely consider this one. Now before we move on to the second pair, let's quickly go ahead and see how they look on feet. Alright, so moving on to the next pair. As you can see, this is the classic Nike Dunk box in red and white. Let's go ahead and open this up first. So these are the Nike Dunk Low Community Garden or Lemon Wash, as they were supposed to be called before. Now basically these shoes released some time back, and since the time they were first leaked, I was really interested in them because I think they look pretty cool. Especially one of the features why I think they look really nice is because of this sort of a floral print on the shoe, which matches with the Louis Vuitton design that we have seen before. So a lot of brands have been notorious before to copy that design in some way or the other, like we had seen on the Supreme Cease and Desist logo a couple of years back. So this shoe is basically like any other Dunk lows that we have seen this year, already released in a couple of colorways, like the Syracuse, the Kentucky, the St. John. You've seen all of those already on my channel before. So let's go ahead and take a look at the details of the shoe. Now the upper of the shoe is in fabric as against leather, which sort of feels like denim, but it's not denim obviously. A lot of different prints on the shoe. This is definitely inspired by the Travis Scott Dunks, and many people who are actually considering it to be the poor man Travis Scott Dunk lows, but that's not the case in my opinion. I think they are way different, and in fact I could even say that they are sort of a toned down version of the Travis Scott SB Dunks. So taking a look at the shoe, you see a lot of different panels with different designs on the near the toe box, then on the medial side along with the back of the shoe with Nike logo. Now this one does not flip up as compared to other Dunks, and also it does not come with any extra pair of laces. It just comes with this sort of a tan colorway or gold as you can call it, and also the swoosh is in the same colorway. Now apart from that, you get the usual white midsole along with the same tan or kind of gold outsole, and Nike branding on the tongue, a red colored insole, and that's about it. Now overall the shoe feels pretty great. I mean, I really love the materials and it gives it a very casual vibe that you could really wear day in and day out. So that's the reason why I went for these. Now these retail for the usual $100 if I'm not mistaken, and are currently reselling at a very high price, that is $400 to $500. We've seen all the Dunks go crazy this year, and it's only the beginning, as it's going to go even more crazier next year. Although I do not feel the prices of these will go over $500 because people's opinions are pretty different about them. However, I feel they are really nice. So if you're looking for personals, then they are a definite cop, and if you're looking for reselling, then you should probably wait for some time. Probably we'll see a dip in these, and at around $300 they would be a great investment. Now before we end this video, let's go ahead and see how they look on feet. So that's all from me for today. Do let me know in the comments below which of these two do you like, and if you do not like this one, then which colorway of the Off-White rubber Dunks do you think is better? Personally, in my opinion, these are the best ones from the three. And also do not forget to check out the membership plans, as the link is in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.